So here we have the Sonic Scrubber Power Cleaning System. We're going to put it to the test and see whether or not it's really worth the hassle, worth the time, and does it actually save you up to 50% of the cleaning time. But before we dive right in, if you want to learn how to clean better while saving time, money, and the planet along the way, click subscribe, turn on the notifications, and check out some more of our great videos dropped twice a week, every week. So let's have a look, shall we? Looking at the box, lots of benefits according to this system. Now, I wasn't overly familiar with this until we got talking to Josh in the office, who absolutely loves it, but never quite got around to buying it. So we're gonna surprise him with it and let him know that we're gonna test it, and then it's his to keep. That's if he still wants it after we've tested it.
Oh my God!
So I'm going to put it to the test,
Yeah.
we're going to see how it works, and,
Okay.
then you can have it.
Are you good?
No.
Thank you.
Ask me.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously
Yeah.
once I put it to the test, you might not
Yeah.
want it, but
Yeah.
I'll put it to the test and we'll see how it gets
Yeah.
on, how good it really is.
Okay, thank you.
Right?
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Look at his little face.
I've bought this straight off of Amazon, $19.99, delivered straight through the post, so we'll see how it gets on. It includes the 4 AA batteries that it runs off of. And according to the pack, it cuts scrubbing time by up to 57%, eliminates cleaning fatigue, not sure about that one, and reaches hard to clean areas. Most cleaners will tell you they carry a toothbrush or something similar in their cleaning kit to get into those hard to reach areas. So the principle is there, and I get the understanding of obviously the power. To me though, just looks like an oversized toothbrush. So we'll put it to the test and we'll see how we get on. So let's open up the pack and see how it feels quality wise and strength wise. Doesn't feel too bad. It does just feel like an oversized electric toothbrush. Okay, you've got you've got to hold the button as you do it. Sounds quite noisy. There's another. Oh no, that's to undo the bottom for the batteries, which have just fell on the floor. Seems to seal quite well. Doesn't seem bad. It seems reasonable quality. The bristles seem somewhere in the middle. I'm not sure how long the bristles will last. There's a lot of plastic involved in this. Obviously it's not single use, but there is a lot of plastic involved in it, so that's not up my street. But let's go and put it to the test. We're going to try a couple of areas and see how good it is. So the Sonic Scrubber, the final decision, we've put it to the test, we've used it all around the house. Is it actually any good? Putting it bluntly, I think it's a gimmick. I get the idea, I get the principle, and within the cleaning industry, there are a few tools or industrial tools that are on a larger scale but do a similar sort of thing. This, however, for what you're doing, I just don't get it. That might just be because I've got set methods that I've learned over the years, but do you know what? I really don't get it. The bristles to me are too soft in places, but then again, at the same time, they're too stiff in others. They've got a couple of nifty heads. There is a cone-shaped head that is quite good for getting in some of the areas, but I just feel it's a gimmick. Sorry, Sonic Scrubber. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope that's helped you to make an informed decision of whether or not the Sonic Scrubber is worth your money. Please do click to subscribe to learn some more, and if you've got any products you want us to put to the test, let us know in the comments below and we'll try them and we'll really work out if these products are any good. Thanks. Bye.